Okay, here's the Drake AC4 power supply retrofit video number 6, and the high voltage board is now pretty much done. It's bolted down, and these two red wires are the secondary from the transformer, the 250 volt secondaries for the high voltage. I grounded the gray wire from the board, which is ground to this ground lug here. These are secondaries for 250 volts, which go to the two red pins here, which are marked clearly, and the next pin is the HV out pin, high voltage out, and they've used the same color wire that Drake used, which amazed me. But the HV out wire, I simply ran it down here to the HV pin and soldered it on there. So that's about it. What's kind of wild is they were able to mark this wire. They were maybe able to find a wire with the exact same pattern as a Drake wire. That's really impressive. Alright, so that concludes the high voltage portion. Now we're going to move on to the low voltage portion, which is over here in the BIOS.